Okay, so here we have the new iPhone 4. It just came in the mail today, 32 gigabyte. So let's unbox it now. Inside we have the phone. Wow, it's very thin. So the front of it, the back, and it'll probably show the connect to iTunes screen here. There's the Apple logo, it's booting. So let's put that off to the side here. You've got this comes off. You've got the wall adapter here, the sync cable, and of course the headphones. And you have this package over here, which probably has some instructions and the SIM ejector tool. Okay, this is booted up now. And right here you've got the fingertips manual, some general instructions, Apple stickers of course, and I guess they do not include a SIM ejector tool anymore.